Drafts are one of the most common sources of discomfort in a home. Even small amounts of unwanted airflow can make living areas feel uneven, chilly, or uncomfortable, especially in rooms where families spend the most time. For homeowners in Pasadena, double-hung windows offer a practical solution for reducing drafts while improving overall comfort and usability in everyday living spaces. Why drafts develop around older windows? Drafts usually form when windows no longer seal properly. Over time, frames can shift, seals wear down, and sashes may not align as they once did. In Pasadena homes, older windows often allow outside air to slip in through small gaps around the frame or between window panels. These drafts can make living rooms, bedrooms, and common areas feel uncomfortable, even when indoor systems are running. How double-hung windows are designed to limit air leaks. Double-hung windows feature two vertically sliding sashes that fit snugly within the frame. When closed, both sashes lock into place, creating multiple contact points. This design helps limit airflow around the window. For Pasadena homeowners, the improved alignment and secure closure reduce drafts that can disrupt comfort in living areas. Creating a tighter seal when closed. One of the key benefits of double-hung windows is their ability to form a tight seal when fully closed and locked. In Pasadena living areas, this tight seal helps block outside air from entering. Homeowners often notice fewer temperature fluctuations and less noticeable airflow near window areas after upgrading to double-hung windows. Improving comfort near seating and gathering areas. Drafts are often most noticeable near windows where seating or workspaces are placed. Cold or warm air moving through gaps can make these areas uncomfortable. Double-hung windows help Pasadena homeowners reclaim these spaces. By reducing drafts, living areas near windows become more comfortable and usable throughout the day. Supporting more consistent indoor temperatures. When drafts are present, indoor temperatures can vary from room to room. Some areas may feel cooler, while others remain comfortable. Double-hung windows help stabilize indoor temperatures by reducing unwanted airflow. Pasadena homeowners benefit from living spaces that feel more balanced and easier to enjoy without constant adjustments. Reducing the need for temporary draft solutions. Many homeowners rely on temporary fixes such as draft blockers, curtains, or plastic coverings to manage airflow around windows. Upgrading to double-hung windows eliminates the need for these solutions. Pasadena homeowners enjoy a cleaner, more reliable approach to draft reduction that improves comfort at the source. Enhancing daily comfort without changing room layouts. Double-hung windows reduce drafts without requiring homeowners to rearrange furniture or limit how rooms are used. In Pasadena homes, this means living areas remain flexible and functional while feeling more comfortable near windows. Long-term performance and reliability. Double-hung windows are designed to maintain their fit and seal over time. Their balanced sash system helps reduce wear that can lead to gaps or misalignment. Pasadena homeowners appreciate windows that continue to reduce drafts year after year without frequent adjustments or repairs. Improving overall living experience. Comfort plays a big role in how a home is experienced daily. Draft-free living areas feel calmer, more predictable, and easier to enjoy. Double-hung windows help Pasadena homeowners create indoor spaces that feel welcoming and comfortable no matter the time of day. A practical upgrade for everyday comfort. Drafts don't have to be part of daily living. With the right window choice, they can be significantly reduced. For homeowners in Pasadena, double-hung windows offer a reliable solution for reducing drafts in living areas. By improving sealing, stabilizing indoor temperatures, and enhancing comfort near windows, they help create a home environment that feels more comfortable, usable, and enjoyable every day.